Hi, my name is Caroline Roland, and I'm going to teach you how to make friendship bracelets. These bracelets are popular unisex craft that can be shared as a gift between friends and loved ones. While there are numerous different techniques in which you can learn how to make friendship bracelets, I will be showing different ways in which you can create a bracelet. Friendship bracelets are easy and fun to make as long as you have the materials to make them and have a patient mindset. So, materials that you need. Here are some of the materials you'll need. You'll need scotch tape, embroidery floss, nail clippers, and a hard surface such as a table. So you can find scotch tape anywhere, including Walmart. Embroidery floss, I personally go to Michael's, but you can go to Walmart. Nail clippers, you can find them at any of your local drugstores, including Walmart. And a hard surface, you can find it anywhere, including your dorm room. So this is the type of bracelet that I'm going to show you. This picture has only 3 different colors, but you can make it with as many as you please. It's called the knotted bracelet. It's pretty simple, and we're gonna make it now. So I have 6 colors that you can pick from. Do you want to pick them? Blue. Okay. So if you can take these out of the little slits, we're gonna measure it. So what you're going to do is you're going to untangle them, and then as soon as you untangle them, you're going to make them pretty long. If you have a measuring tape with you, it's going to be at least 24 inches, but as of right now, we don't have one, so we are going to use our eyes, and this looks about right. So you're going to measure up to this one. And then once you have your length, you're going to cut them with nail clippers. Then once you cut them, you're going to tie it at one end.
Do I just wrap it around my finger? Is that how I tie that?
Yes.
Okay. Stop it inside. Okay.
Okay, so we just wrap it around our finger?
Yes.
Yep. And then put the string through the hole. This.
Just stick one piece.
Okay, so you're going to take 2 pieces of tape and stick it to a hard surface. Okay, now that you have it on a hard surface, you're going to take one of your strings and wrap it around the other 2 and make a 4. And put the one string that you're using and put it towards the knot. Like so.
Yeah.
You're going to do at least 6 of these for one color.
Okay.
4.
You're going to continue to do this until you have all of the bracelet completed with all the different colors.
Okay.
Then this is what your bracelet will turn out to look like, and you can end up giving it to your friend. Ta-da! Here are some different types of friendship bracelets that you can also design. The steps are also located in the slides. That's all I have. Thank you for watching.